The discussions on the controversial issue of the roster system and the Meghalaya State Reservation Policy 1972 would start after May 15th. Informing this here on Tuesday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the Cabinet is going through multiple presentations on the issue from the departments. He said that the government intends to call all MDA members, political parties, different civil society groups from all areas and other important stakeholders to discuss the matter at length. There has been a huge uproar on the implementation of the roster system after the High Court accidentally came to know that it was not being followed while filling government job vacancies.
The Cabinet is going through all the details. Most likely, post the 15th, we will be having within this month itself, as I had mentioned earlier also, that in the month of May, these discussions will start and we will invite everybody. So we intend to call all our MDA members, all the political parties, all the different civil society from all areas and other important stakeholders, religious leaders, because it's something that we feel that everybody should be involved in and must understand all the facts.